Alright, so I got the airbox out, water pump, alternator and bracket, intakes off, the catch cans off, fans off, radiators off, and immediately noticed that the high pressure pump has a leak, most likely at this line. That's why it's brown this way and just everywhere. So I'm not sure what he had done previously, but I'm not sure if this is, I mean, it's got to be an oil leak. Just don't know from where, unless it's from the injector, because it looks like he had something done with the injectors. You can see the bolts are obviously, the whole DOD plate has been taken out, the injector rail has been taken out. You can see all the bolts have been undone. Then that connector is not on that bracket. The lock for the high pressure pump connector is missing. Bunch of the locks are broken or missing, so I'm not sure what exactly he's had done, what work has been done to the truck, but definitely something's been done along the way. So you can see this side's clean, but it's this side and that one might be a little coolant spill, because like some of that is coolant spill for me just now, but you can see there's definitely a lot of oil leak, especially here on the front of the head. So maybe it's just a valve cover gasket that's leaking. That could be. So I'll again send him a picture and see if he wants to replace that hard line. I used to have one, but I don't know what I did with it, or if I kept it or threw it away. Don't think it's in here. Well, I looked in the cabinet, I looked on the shelves down there. I know I had them. I probably have them somewhere, I just don't know where I put them. So I just went ahead, I ordered new valve cover gaskets, new fuel lines. He says it was replaced 3-4 years ago. I don't know. But I ordered the line, valve cover gaskets, and I got the valve covers off, rockers are all off, push rods are out. Those are in the box because I got to do trunnion upgrade on those. What else? I don't know. Fuel pump's out, the high pressure pump's out. So now I just got to rip all the head bolts out, pull the heads off, pull the crank pulley off, pull the timing cover off, and on and on and on. So hopefully by the end of today, well, I know I'll have the heads off. Hopefully I'll have the cam out and everything. I was gonna go for the transmission, but maybe not, unless I have time. So yeah, I'm going to get back at it. Okay, motor's all apart, cam is out, all that stuff's out, the tensioner's locked over with the little piece. I started cleaning it, and I use like this little plastic thing so it doesn't mess up the aluminum, but definitely a leak on the passenger side rear. almost a leak. I mean, it is kind of a leak, very small leak there. But that's the driver's side, front and second cylinder, last cylinder. They're all pretty much starting to leak, and that's probably because the flanges aren't flat, or they didn't bother to clean anything and just threw the headers on. I assume that's probably part of it. So I got everything out. I got all his stuff in the box. Other than the rockers are going to come out tomorrow and get the trunnion upgrade. All the new stuff. The tick head gaskets, ARP head bolts, new GM buckets, ARP cam bolts, new cam retainer plate. This is the Texas Speed cover. I'll show all of that tomorrow, but this is everything. The morale lifters. So, and that is the Street Heat Stage 2 cam that Tick does. So I am going to clean these up real quick, just the exhaust ports, just to get that done. And then I'm gonna head out of here. Tomorrow I'll probably pull the driver's side header out now that the head's out of the way, and check the flange and see if it's flat. Yeah, got an itch in the eye. So, you know, I'll try and get those as flat as I can, and then just start putting the trunnions in and getting everything back together to go back together. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos, leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.